Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do basically one English speaking practice. So if you are new here, basically I am going to introduce myself. Basically I am an English learner. I do upload videos on English on this YouTube channel which you are seeing in this particularly channel. There are multiple videos which I have uploaded already. So in this video I have one cue card which is about describing a sports person you like or admire. So if you see in these videos you will find out a lot of various topics which are spoken, such as day to day basis activities and other activities, such as talking about like foreigners or talking about some random topics. So these are the videos you will find out in this YouTube channel. And so if I talk about like the topic which I've chosen for speaking this video, you will find a lot of things which you can basically implement in your English practice, so that you can be a fluent speaker in very short span of time, which is lot of people's want to be, but because of not having a practice, because of that they are not able to speak fluently. So that is the reason behind that. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if I talk about a sportsman which I really do admire from my childhood, his name is Michael Phelps, because he's a great swimmer in his field, and he has achieved basically 8 to 9 gold medal in Olympics. That is huge, and nobody have achieved till this date. So yeah, it is very great journey which he have done that, and basically he have shown to the world that that can be possible. And there is multiples 100 meter or 200 meters swimming which he completed in some sort of span of time, and because of that I got basically seriously towards like this person, because he have started his journey from the childhood, and till the age of 40 he have spent his 8 hours of time in swimming. So that is how much he dedicated is, and so that is how he basically represent himself. And he's a basically foreigner, and we should need to basically learn how they are disciplined and how they are prioritize themselves toward the sports. So yeah, we should need to learn a lot from this person's journey. And there is a lot of setbacks he also get in after his marriage. So after that he just got addicted towards alcohol. This kind of happen, and his reputation also decreases because of these there's a lot of kind of activities. So yeah, after that basically he gone through the setbacks, and still he have able to manage again. Basically he have break his world record. That is huge for himself, and that shows like people, if somebody is getting down, so he can basically bounce back. And this is all things which people basically normal people need to focus on, because yeah, these all things matter if somebody's want to basically achieve something. So I basically personally like his way of working out, and like how he basically managed. Basically in one video, when an interviewer asked him like what's your diet look like, so he told that he able to basically uh, get the food around like 10,000 calories in a day. So that is a huge shocking thing, because lot of people basically cannot able to eat half of that calories. So that is huge, and after getting this much of calories, 10,000 calorie, he is able to manage himself lean and muscular. So this is huge, and nobody can do that. And so that is what he have done that. So on this video, if I talk about cue card, that is enough. So if you want to see my previous basically a lot of cue cards, so you can watch my multiple videos which I already uploaded. So in this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.